A very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this the brand new session of Algebra, which are we calling at part 5. So come on, do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments. Once you join, guys, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining. So today the topic is the Hello Naveen Indian. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all the people, those who have joined. So what is the next thing you should be doing, guys, after your joining is sharing the session as well. Okay. So please make sure, guys, you share it well so that it reaches to the masses. So that, hello, Srivani, where were you these days? Have you completed all the parts of algebra? Have you completed all the parts of algebra? Yeah, Naveen, you can ask. You should ask basically. You should ask. Okay, Naveen, why not? Yeah, great. That's a good thing. Yeah, you would be here and there. Like, if you talk about only CPO, I need to confirm. Uh, if you talk about only CPO, I need to confirm. But obviously, CGL and CHSL are also there. Yeah, CGL and CHSL are also there. Okay. So that is all we have covered, guys, in the past sessions. That is all we have covered in the past sessions. Yeah, Naveen, I like as I told you, very specific. I will check it out once if you are only talking about CPO. But if you are talking about general things, but if you're talking about general SSC examination, then that is not a problem. Then that is not a problem. Yeah, Naveen, I will definitely give you the exact. I will definitely give you the exact reply. So let's begin. Let's begin. Do you identify this pattern? Do you identify this question? 10 minus 2 root something, something, something. I must have told you in the previous 4 classes that a plus b plus c ka whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus c. A plus b plus c ka whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. So if you look at it closely, if you look at it closely, if you look at it closely, if you break it into root 2 into root 3, and this is root 3 into root 5, and this is root 5 into root 2. So like my if my a is root 2 and my b is root 3 and my c is root 5, then root 2 ka square 2, root 3 ka square 3 and root 5 ka square 5. So this is your a square plus b square plus c square. This is your a square plus b square plus c square. And this is 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. This is 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. But there are some negative signs as well. There are some negative signs as well. Means one of the value is negative. But This is positive, so I can say, sir, A is also positive and B is also positive. This root 6 is positive, so I can say, sir, A is also positive, B is also positive. Only C can be negative, that is why these two terms are negative. Only C can be negative, that is why these two terms are negative. Got it? So A is root 2, B is root 3, C is minus root 5. Okay? So this entire can be written as root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 ka whole square under root. Whole square and under root will cancel out each other. Answer is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Is it absolutely perfect? Come on, tell me. Is it absolutely perfect? Come on, tell me. Tell me. And also tell me one more thing, guys. What is your count maintaining in terms of algebra sessions? What you have done? I have taken algebra part 1, algebra part 2, algebra part 3, algebra part 4. This is algebra part 5 and one more session is marathon session on algebra. So typically this is the 6th session. Typically this is the 6th session and I am not going to take more sessions than this as of now. As of now. First you become good at all these 6 sessions, because then only if you can do all these 6 sessions, then you can attempt like all problems of CGL, CPO, CHSL. All problems of CGL, CPO, CHSL. Yeah. However, there is no limit to teach algebra. Yeah. I can keep on teaching for 5 to 7 sessions as well. But then we would not be like, we would be moving beyond examination level. Then in that case, we would be moving beyond examination level. This is called as symmetry. This is called as symmetry. If you can identify that 2x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 2 is satisfying all the 3 equations. If you can observe that x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 2 is satisfying all the 3 equations. 2 ka square is equal to 2 plus 2. Again 2 ka square is equal to 2 plus 2. Okay. So, what is the answer? 2 upon 2 plus 2, 4. 2 by 4, 2 by 4. Answer is 6 by 4, 3 by 2. However, in any certain case, if you are not able to identify it as well, then you can take x is equal to y is equal to z. Then you can take x is equal to y is equal to z in such a manner x square will become equal to x plus x, because y and z both are equal to x. So x square is equal to 2x, or you can say, sir, one of the value of x comes out to be 2. Okay. Then also you will get to know that x and y and z all are 2, 2, 2. Then also you will get to know that x and y and z all are 2, 2, 2. Clear? Clear? Keep it on. Let's move on. PQR is 1. What is this expression? Again doable. Again doable. You will say, sir, one equation, three variable. One equation, three variable. So I can assume 3 minus 1, two values of the choice. I can assume two values. I can assume two values. So assume, okay, if you assume any of them as 0, then what will happen? The entire left hand side will become 0. So 0 is not the case to be assumed. Because if you assume any of them as 0, then what will happen? The entire value will become 0 and 0 is not equal to 1. So we are assuming R is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1. So on putting the value of 1 into 1, P will come out to be 1. Identify the difference. Identify the difference. What did I said? I said assume R is equal to 1, assume Q is equal to 1 and P is coming out 1. P is coming out 1. Yeah. So all three of them are 1, 1, 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 ka inverse is also 1. 1 ka inverse is also 1. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 1 is the ultimate answer. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, tell me. Well done, Naveen. Well done, Shrivani. Well done, Naveen. Well done, Shrivani. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. X plus y plus z is 0. What is the value of this expression? What is the value of this expression? X plus y plus z is 0. What is the value of this expression? One equation, three variable. One equation, three variable. You can assume 3 minus 1, two values. You can assume two values. Okay. Assume with care. Assume with care. First I am assuming z is equal to 0. First I am assuming z is equal to 0. First I am assuming z is equal to 0. So this will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. My question is only xy plus x square plus y square. My question is only x square plus xy upon x square plus y square. And the given equation is x plus y is 0. Now guys, for your kind information, now you should not be assuming y is equal to 0. Because if you assume y is equal to 0, x will also be 0 and 0 upon 0 is an indeterminate form. And 0 upon 0 is an indeterminate form. So rather you can go for 1 and minus 1. You can assume y as 1. You can assume y as 1. So x will come out to be minus 1. You can assume y is equal to 1. So x will come out to be minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 upon -1 का स्क्वायर 1 +1 का स्क्वायर 1 -1/2 is the answer. Please do watch out and do let me know once it is clear. Please do watch out and once it is clear, do let me know. Yeah, this is what we have assumed. This is what we have assumed, and this is what we have got. There is a quite a difference in assuming and what you are getting. Yeah. However, how do I do, guys? How do I do? How do I do that when I get x is equal to x plus y is equal to 0 and xy plus y square upon xy is being asked, I only do one thing. I only do one thing. I write x is equal to minus y or y is equal to minus x. I write x is equal to minus y. So minus y into y upon minus y ka square is y square plus y square. So which comes out to be minus y square upon 2y square minus 1/2. So by only assuming z is equal to 0 as well, and after this directly putting x is equal to minus y, we can also get to the answer. Directly putting x is equal to minus y, we can directly get to the answer. Yeah. Well done, Naveen. Well done, Shrivani. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay. So, move ahead. Symmetry. 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 So I can say A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 2. I can say A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2 plus 1, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Ultimately, the answer is 3/3, that is 1. If you put ABC as 2 to 2 here, you will get 8, which is not the answer because your answer is 1. If you will put ABC 1 1, you will get 1/8, which is also not the answer. If you will put 2 to 2 over here, you will get -6, which is also not the answer. So 1 is the ultimate answer. So 1 is the ultimate answer. What is the ultimate truth? The ultimate truth is 1 only. The ultimate truth is 1 only. Let's move on further. Let's move on further. Guys, you might be aware or not, this is the 6th session on algebra what I have taken. They all can be find out inside the playlist. Just do watch out them and sit in any of the examination of SSC. You are going to rock. And sit in any of the examination of SSC, you are going to rock. However, I am not telling that this is the complete I have taught, but I have taught what comes in the examination. If you talk about the completion, then it would be taking 5-7 classes more. If you talk about the completion, then it would be taking 5-7 classes more, which is obviously not worth. Assume z is equal to 0. Assume z is equal to 0 first. So gone. Gone. Now the only question is x square plus y square upon y square. Now the only question is x square plus y square upon y square. So x plus y is 0. Can I say x can be replaced by minus y, or minus x can be replaced by minus y? So minus y ka square is y square, y ka square is y square, y ka square is y square. So 2y square upon y square, 2y square upon y square. Ultimately the answer is 2. Ultimately the answer is 2. X can be replaced by minus y, and minus y ka square is y square. And minus y ka square is y square. X can be replaced by minus y ka square is y square. Let's move on. One equation, two variable. One equation, two variable. So I can assume 2 minus 1, one value. I can assume one value. So I'm assuming y is equal to 0. I'm assuming y is equal to 0. I can assume one value, so I'm assuming y is equal to 0. If I'm assuming y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. On putting y is equal to 0, x comes out to be minus 2. Minus 2 ka cube minus 8. Y is already 0 plus 8. Y is already 0. Minus 8 plus 8, 0 is the ultimate answer. Yes, please like and subscribe to our channel as well. Yeah, very well said. So, if I put x, y is equal to 0, x is coming out to be minus 2. If I put y is equal to 0, x is coming out to be minus 2. On putting x is equal to minus 2, on putting x is equal to minus 2, it is coming minus 8. This is 0. This is plus 8. This is 0. So, ultimately the answer is 0. Ultimately the answer is 0. One more. One more. Naveen, I will try to take the concern of yours by today only. Yeah, I will try to take the concern of your, either me or Ankit sir would be taking your concern in today's session only, any of the session. We are going to conduct a session where we are going to take up this thing. Yeah. xy plus yz is equal to minus zx. xy plus yz is equal to minus zx. Guys, this can be done by value putting as well, but this can be done by a bit thinking as well. But this can be also done by bit thinking as well. What is the thinking what I am talking about? What is the thinking what I am talking about? I am talking about that minus xy is here. So if you send this over there, so it will become minus xy, and if you take it over here, it will become yz plus zx. So can I say minus xy can be written as yz plus zx? Can I say minus xy can be written as yz plus zx? So 1 upon z square plus yz plus zx. 1 upon. Now, similarly, minus xz can be written as xy plus yz. Minus xz can be written as xy plus yz. And similarly, minus yz can be written as other two. That is xy and xz. Xy and xz. Now, if you look at it closely, here z is common in all, zx plus y plus z. Here y is common in all, so x plus y plus z. And here x is common in all, so x plus y plus z. Now you might have got a sense of relief. Oh, now this is doable. Take the LCM x, y, z, x plus y plus z. So, after z, x, y, z, what is remaining? X, y. After 1 x, y, what is remaining? X, z. And after x, what is remaining? Y, z. And for your kind information, xy plus yz plus zx is already given as 0 in the question. Xy plus yz plus zx is already given as 0 in the question. So, zero upon something is 0. 0 upon something is 0. Please do watch out. देखो, जब तक बात पूरी तरह 100% श्योर ना हो ना, तब तक हम लोग बताते नहीं है नवीन. या सो वी नीड टू डू द रिसर्च ओवर इट, देन ओनली वी एबल टू टेल ना. You are asking a very specific question. It needed to be seen properly. Yeah. You are not asking any general question. How the examination is being conducted, what are the different stages of the examination, and what are the procedure, what are the posts you are getting. You are asking very specific. Yeah. Not everyone has these problems. Okay. I hope you can understand what I am trying to say. Guys, should I take this by value putting as well? Or it is fine only? Okay. Should I take this by value putting as well, or it is fine just like this? Okay. Guys, question can be done by value putting as well. One equation, three variable. So assume two values. Don't take 0 because they are in the denominators, they can trouble you. Yeah. Don't take 0, they are in the denominators as well, they can trouble you. So first I assumed z is equal to 1. And I also assumed y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1, then x, yz both 1, then x. And this is everything 1, so x. So 2x is minus 1, x comes out to be minus 1 by 2. X comes out to be minus 1 by 2. Okay. Got it? Got it? Yeah, Naveen, we will definitely look after it. Yeah, we will definitely look after it. Why we have not taken 0? Because if we have taken any one of them as 0, like suppose I have taken z is equal to 0. Let's suppose I have taken z is equal to 0. Then this will become 0. This will become 0. So ultimately one of them will also become 0. If ultimately one of them will become 0, and if 2 will become 0, the denominator will become 0. The 2 will become 0, then the denominator will become 0, which is not defined. Which is not defined. Yeah, which is not defined. So that was the reason I have not taken any one of them 0. I think now I am not doing after this. What do you say? 1 ka square minus xy. So xy is minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 upon y square 1 minus xz. Minus of minus 1 by 2 again plus 1 by 2. X square 1 by 4 minus yz is 1. So 3 by 2, so it's 2 by 3. It's 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3, ultimately the answer is 0. 4 by 3, 4 by 3, ultimately the answer is 0. 4 by 3, 4 by 3, ultimately the answer is 0. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Correct? Let's move on. We have spent quite a quality time over here. Yeah. This was asked in CGL mains. Yeah. 2018 might be. This was asked in CGL mains 2018. One equation, 3 variable. 3 minus 1, 2 value assume. Assume 2 values. I am first going for only one value assumption. There is no denominator. So I am going for C is equal to 0. There is no denominator. So I am going for C is equal to 0. If C is 0, this entire term will become 0. And this entire term will also become 0. So ultimately AB is into A minus B. So on putting C is equal to 0, whoever will give me AB into A minus B is my answer. Ultimately, on putting C is equal to 0, whoever will give me AB into A minus B is my answer. It is minus AB B minus A. Okay. Minus AB A plus B. Minus AB A minus B. Minus AB A minus B. Your is AB A minus B. Your is AB A minus B. So obviously minus AB A minus B will not work. Minus AB A minus B will not work. Minus AB A minus B will not work. Minus AB A plus B will not work. This is your answer. You will say, sir, how? Little bit of rearrangement. Little bit of rearrangement. This is minus AB B minus A. This is minus AB B minus A. If you take this minus inside, it will become minus A plus A. So it will ultimately is what you are looking for. This is ultimately the same thing what you are looking for. Please do see. Please do see. This is ultimately the same thing what you are being looking for. Clear? Clear? Come on, tell me. A is the correct answer, not D. A is the correct answer, not D. Okay. A is the correct answer, not D. Because you were looking for AB into A minus B, which you get from option number A, none else. Which you get from option number A, none else. Great, 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 great. Keep it up. This is symmetry. I think we have done like this. This is symmetry. We have already done like this. All of them are 2, 2, 2. All of them are 2, 2, 2. All of them are 2, 2, 2. So 1 upon 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 upon 3. This is, I think, repeated, na? This is repeated. 1. Not this. On putting 2 to 2, this is 8, not this. On putting 2 to 2, this is 4 into 4 into 4, 64, not this. This is not exactly repeated, but mostly, yeah. Not exactly, but mostly, yeah. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. This was the case of symmetry. This was the case of symmetry. Next. Oh, wow. So next 5 minutes or 10 minutes would be quite a fun. Next 5 to 10 minutes would be quite a fun because you are getting some of the very, very important problems over here. Just skip this for some time. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. Yeah, let's begin from here. Let's begin from here. Then we will do that one. So, very interesting questions, guys, in your bag now. Very interesting questions in your bag now. If x is 14 and this is 14 plus 115. This is 14 plus 115. First question, I will do it completely. First question, I will do it completely. Or first write the trick. First write the trick. Trick is if this is x plus 1 throughout, if this is x plus 1 throughout, then the answer is constant term plus x with the sign, plus x with the sign. So answer is x minus 1. Answer is x minus 1. X is 14 minus 1, 13. What is the basic? The basic is breaking it into minus 14x4 minus x4. Breaking into two factors. Breaking into two factors. Then plus 14x cube plus x cube. Then minus 14x square minus x square. Then 14x plus x minus 1. Okay. Now, guys, since x is 14, so this 14 can be written as x. If x is 14, then 14 can be written as x. So minus x into x की power 4 minus x into x की power 4 x की power 5. Similarly, this 14 can be written as x. So plus x into x cube x की power 4 x cube. This 14 can be written as x square into x cube minus x square. 14 can be written as x plus x square plus x minus 1. This will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out, this will get cancelled out. Ultimately, the answer is x minus 1. Ultimately, the answer is x minus 1. Got it? Lovely, interesting concept. Lovely concept. Interesting concept. Okay. Let's see over one more question. Let's see over one more question. Yeah, maintained. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 and the constant term. X is 11 and it's throughout. Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus, yeah. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. The constant term, and from the second last term, x with the sign. From the second last term, x with the sign. So plus x. X is 11 minus 1, 10 is the answer. X is 11 minus 1, 10 is the answer. Now, what if I do some changes in the question? What if I do some changes in the question like here? What if I do some changes in the question like here? Identify. Yeah, 11x cube is basically 10x cube plus x cube. If I see this, it is in the pattern. It is in the pattern. Plus minus plus minus plus. It is in the pattern plus minus 1 plus plus. Yeah. Plus alternate plus minus, and x is 9 and here it is 10. So I will say, sir, for this equation, answer is going to be the constant term plus x with the coefficient x plus 7. For this term, the answer would be x plus 7. Answer would be x plus 7, and 1 x cube is already remaining. So answer is x cube plus x plus 7. So answer is x cube plus x plus 7. X is 9. 9 ka cube 729 plus 9 plus 7. So it is 738 plus 7. Interesting. Clear, guys? Clear to all? Come on, tell me. Any doubt whatsoever you can ask me. Any doubt whatsoever you can ask me. So, from this expression, the answer was x plus 7, and 1 x cube was remaining from here as well. 1 x cube was remaining from here as well. So, answer is x cube plus x plus 7. Answer is x cube plus x plus 7. On putting the value of x as 9, you will get the answer as 745. 745. Okay. So this is what I've taken as well. So let's discuss, guys, what we have. Okay, and this is the, guys, step to download our application. First, go to the Play Store, search the Exampur over there, install the Exampur app, then do the registration part. In the registration part, you need to write your name, date of birth, email address, password, phone number, city, state. Then you are welcomed on the Exampur app. From there, you can select your exam category like SSC and Railway, and you can see that what are the running batches and what are the running sessions over there. So let's see, guys, what we have covered. We have covered Algebra part 1, Algebra part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and a marathon session. I hope, guys, if you watch these all, none of the question is going to get stuck in the SSC examination. None of the question is going to get stuck in the SSC exam. So please let me know once you complete this playlist. Please do let me know, guys. Yeah, once you complete this playlist, by the help of your comments in the comment box. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. I will see you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time.